Automation is revolutionizing footwear manufacturing with smart robotics, 3D printing, and AI-driven precision, boosting efficiency, reducing waste, and enabling mass customization like never before. The future isn't coming, it's already here. So let's learn more about automation in footwear manufacturing. Auto-cutting machines can process up to 50 layers in minutes, reducing material waste and improving accuracy. Robotic arms handle complex sole assembly and pressing, ensuring uniform bonding in faster cycle times. Computer-controlled stitching machines. Computerized stitching systems provide unmatched consistency in seams, whether it's a hiking boot or a high-performance sneaker. AI quality control in finished shoes. Quality control is now driven by AI vision systems, detecting even the smallest flaws faster than the human eye. From planning to dispatch, smart factories use real-time data and IoT to manage inventory, productivity, and maintenance. Automation in footwear isn't just about speed, it's about precision, sustainability, and the future of craftsmanship. Today's automated footwear factories combine robotic precision with cutting-edge materials science to achieve what was once impossible: consistent quality at scale, near-zero material waste, and adaptive customization for every foot. And with that, we come to the end of today's discussion. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe, and feel free to reach out with any topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. You can also visit our website or other social media platforms for professional updates. The links are provided in the description below. Until next time, this is Growio Learning signing off.